Hey there, welcome to CivilMix, your go-to destination for all things architecture and engineering. Our aim is to share knowledge and insights with you so that you can create better structures and designs. At CivilMix, we cover a wide range of topics related to civil and structural engineering, as well as architectural design. From the basics of engineering principles to the latest trends and techniques, we've got you covered. We also love helping you make the most of the tools and software you use. That's why we share tutorials, families, and models related to Revit software to help you streamline your workflow and get more done in less time. And if you want to explore any of the topics we cover in more detail, just head over to our website, civilmix.com, where you'll find even more resources, articles, and insights. So whether you're an architect, engineer, student, or just someone who loves great design, we invite you to join us here at CivilMix. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.